I sat in the office looking through the cameras, and guess what I see? The bunny animatronic standing in the middle of the room. I have been working here like for 2 nights now, and this place just gets creepier by every minute. They said this place were for kids, but looking at the animatronics, or robots, or whatever they are, they don't look that kid friendly. Just look at them. God, they look so creepy. The bear animatronic or robot is looking at me. And that's exactly what I'm saying. This place does get creepier by every minute. I should probably look for a return button so I don't get in trouble for doing nothing. They are pretty huge, and I'm like 6 foot plus, and they are massive towards me. God. What was that sound? What the? Huh? What the fuck?